Hi fellow crafters, today I'm back with another fun fold idea. This one will certainly impress with its double doors. I'm going to be using my Hello Irresistible Suite Collection for my card idea. This suite collection is only available through an online order, which means it is not showing in any of our catalogs. Shall we get started? If this is the first time you're visiting my YouTube channel, hi, I'm Terri from nutsaboutsstamping.com. I love sharing techniques and project ideas for rubber stamping, paper crafting, and scrapbooking with you each week. Be sure to hit that red subscribe button and the bell beside it so that you'll be the first to be notified when my next video goes live. Speaking of videos, be sure to watch all the way through my video for my bonus tips and design ideas. And if you don't have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator yet, I would love for you to choose me. A link to my online stores in the description box under this video. Now, let's get going on this double door fun fold. As I mentioned in my intro, the Hello Irresistible Suite Collection only became available for ordering in March, so perhaps you haven't seen it yet. This is the Hello Irresistible Designer Series paper pack. You get a ton of sheets in the pack, and you get duplicates of each of the patterns. This is going to be the main focal point on my card because of its elegant botanical and floral design and its beautiful color washes. Just for your information, this paper was digitally drawn to give it a natural artistic flair that will complement any project that you want to make using it. I'm also going to be using the Irresistible Blooms bundle, which also features gorgeous floral designs and sentiments in an elegant font. And what I think is really cool about the die pack is that there are some dies in here that you can use on the designer series paper. So the die fits perfectly around some of the patterns in this paper so that you can die cut them out and use them as elements on your card, which is what we're going to be doing today. So I've decided I'm going to use this design from the Hello Irresistible paper pack, and I'm going to take one of the dies from the die pack and I'm going to go over to my Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine and I'm going to die cut out the flower. And here it is, ready to use on my card. Now the next thing I want to do is bring in a scrap piece of basic white, and I've got this phrase that says, "I couldn't be happier to have you as my friend." So I'm going to mount that onto a clear block, and I'm going to use Flirty Flamingo ink to ink up the phrase and stamp it down on this piece of basic white. And this is what it looks like when it's done. Now, let's make this double door fun fold. Now, this fun fold project requires an entire sheet of cardstock. So I've chosen So Saffron. I'm going to use my Simply Scored. I've laid it down and I'm going to score it at 5.5. And then I'm going to turn it and I'm going to score it at 2 1/8. And then I'm going to score it at 6 3/8. Okay, so let me recap. You lay it down so that the long side is at the top. You're going to score it at 5.5. And then you're going to turn it and you're going to score it at 2 1/8 and at 6 3/8. And that's all you need your Simply Scored for. Now the next thing you want to do is take your paper snips or your paper trimmer and you want to trim off 2 sections of this fun fold. You want to trim this piece off and you want to trim this piece off. And once you've done that, it will look like this. So I trimmed off this piece and now we have a door that opens here. And we have a door that opens here. And that is the double door fun fold. So let's decorate it and get it ready to send to somebody special. I absolutely love this pattern in the Hello Irresistible Designer Series paper pack. So I'm going to use it as the main focal point on the front of my card, which is this door here. So I'm going to use my multi-purpose liquid glue, and I'm going to adhere this layer onto the front or the main door that will open for the fun fold. The next thing I want to do is take my phrase and I want to adhere it across the top of the Hello Irresistible Designer Series paper layer. Okay, my double door fun fold is coming together beautifully. Would you like to see another Irresistible Blooms card idea? Then I invite you to watch this video next. Now, the next thing I want to do is take this pattern in the Hello Irresistible Designer Series paper pack, and I want to add a layer to the inside doors of this fun fold. So I'll go ahead and attach these next. And while that's drying, I want to take this flower that I have die cut out of the Designer Series paper, and I want to add it to this layer of basic white. And then I want to take this basic white layer and I want to put it on the inside of my double door fun fold, like so. As you can see, it's really starting to take shape. Now, let's talk embellishments. Three, two, one. I'm going to keep my embellishments pretty basic for this card. I've got the loose frosted dots, which again is part of this collection that's available online. And I'm going to add a few of them to the front of my card using my fine tip glue pen. And look at that. I have my double door fun fold card all ready to either stamp a phrase inside or just write a message, fold it up, and send it off in the mail to somebody special. Would you like to see another fun fold card idea? Then leave a yes in the description box underneath this video. And if you would like a complete listing of the supplies that I used and the measurements and scoring lines for this project, I'll link to my blog article in the description box under this video. You can head on over there, get all the information you need, and I'll also include the product ordering numbers in case you would like to add the Hello Irresistible collection to your crafting room. I'm Terry. I'm nuts about stamping. I hope that you'll try this super easy double door fun fold card someday soon. Bye for now.